Hi folks, thanks for joining me back on the bench. I've got an Airline 62-425 from the mid-1930s. I started this project a little over a year ago. I think it was in June of 2025. Anyway, this dates back to the mid-1930s. I've already done a complete recap, got all the resistors replaced that needed to be replaced, and did the IF alignment. And the set back then was a great player. I haven't played it since that point in time. Spent a lot of time on the power transformer. I had to rewind the power transformer due to an open winding. So I got that done and had to recomb the old 5-inch loudspeaker that you can see here. And then there's a unique drive belt that I had to reproduce, and also reproduced a new dial scale. You can see the old grill cloth. I've got that out, and I've got some new sitting here off to the side ready to be put in. I've got some paint splatter on the cabinet, and again I'm assuming this is a lacquer finish. I don't know that to be the case. I'm going to just take some mineral spirits, go outside and see if I can wipe the cabinet off and remove the paint flakes without disturbing the finish. You can see possibly some of the splatter on top. It's not bad. Just see if I can remove those and then get the new grill cloth in, the escutcheons back on, loudspeaker plug back in, and take this thing for a test drive, see if it still plays. I'm going to just use some clean strip mineral spirits, good substitute that I've used before, and I'm going to just hit a couple places right here, see if it dissolves the paint. And then, alright, I'll finish up outside. I ended up taking one of the Scotch-Brite 7448 pads and just roughly scuffing up with a little bit of the mineral spirits. That seems to be removing the paint. We'll find out. I'm going to just take it outside and give this thing a good rub down. Again, it still may be a candidate for a refinish or some toner lacquers to be applied when the weather allows me to do so. Okay, the mineral spirits did a pretty good job getting rid of the paint that was on the cabinet itself. I'm just going over it with some steel wool just to kind of knock down some of the high spots. The front itself, you can see we've got some lacquer missing. I probably won't mess with that right now because the weather is not correct. Humidity is way too high. I'm going to try to hit some of this area where the runs are in the finish as well. See if I can knock down some of those spots you can see. Then we'll put this thing back together and let it be for now.